Hi and welcome to another vlog of What's Up, Ravina. Today we are going to an amazing destination called Malta.
Malta is an island country in southern Europe located in Mediterranean Sea, and it is an archipelago between Italy, Tunisia and Libya. Flights to Malta from London cost around £100 per person. We paid £292 for three of us for going, including a 20 kg bag. Malta is the 10th smallest country by area, and you will be surprised to know that Malta was also once a British colony which got independence in 1964. This is the Malta airport from outside, and from here I am planning to go to St. Paul's Bay. We will stay there for 3 nights. Now let me help you with where you can stay in Malta. So one is Valletta, which is the capital city, and if you want to enjoy the nightlife you can go to St. Julian's, and if you are with the family and want to chill in a resort, I will suggest to go to St. Paul's Bay. No matter where you stay in Malta, you can still cover it in 3 to 4 days. Along with these cities, it's also recommended to visit Gozo and Camino Islands, which you will see in this vlog. Now let's talk about the resort we are staying in St. Paul's Bay. It's AX Odyssey Hotel, and you can see in the pictures it's gorgeous. I will also show some live videos from there. Paid £500 for 3 nights in this place, and it was totally worth it. This resort has everything you can ask for, from multiple swimming pools to jacuzzi to kids water park. It has everything, and their breakfast buffet was good. The staff is very humble, so I can highly recommend this place. Day 1 of our trip is chilling at the resort for the entire day, jumping from one swimming pool to the other. From St. Paul's Bay, we took a day trip to Gozo and Camino for €41 per person, and as you can see, this bus has dropped us to the coastal area where the boat will pick us and take us to the islands. We went in May and temperature here was 22 degrees, which was very pleasant. This is Gozo Camino cruise. Let's go in. As soon as you enter the cruise, you have a cafe wherein you can have drinks, ice creams, food, crisps, etc. It's fully loaded, but paid, of course. Now let's check out the outside of the cruise. You can either sit upstairs or downstairs, your wish. People keep on hopping back, up and down. This is a full day trip what we are doing, and they pick you from the hotel, take you on a cruise to Gozo and Camino Islands, take you back to the hotel. This is the driving seat of the captain of the cruise. On your way to Gozo, you will see some amazing rock formations, and I have captured them all for you. We have reached our first destination of this trip, which is Victoria, capital of Gozo, where a hop-on hop-off bus was waiting for us. By the way, do comment if you like my rings. All these transfers are included in that €41 ticket for the trip, but no food is included. That's the Blue Lagoon, where the watercolor is turquoise because the sand below is white in color.
We are sitting in a train in Gozo and it will take us to the top and then take us back here. This train literally looks like an auto, as you can see. Connected auto maybe.
Electric auto.
Electric auto, yeah. That's how it looks.
My phone died.
These are the famous Maltese balconies. Entire Gozo Island has a population of only 39,000 people. It's a very small island with a total area of 26 square miles. Gozo is considered as one of the top diving destinations in the Mediterranean. Ticket to this toy train was not included and it was 3 euros for the round trip, or you can walk in the city by yourself. This here is the Citadel of Victoria, the fortress castle of this city. You get amazing city view from top of the citadel and you can see the famous temples of Gozo from here. Like any other tourist center, Gozo also has some shopping streets in the center.
Wow, it looks yummy.
Hi. This one, is it vegetarian?
Yes.
Can I have one of this?
Is it a pizza?
Aubergine. Yes, yes.
Baby. Baby.
Asher. This lady missed the train and now she was literally running and requesting the driver to stop, and he finally stopped for her. Hi.
Bye.
And we are back in the bus to go back to our cruise. All these transfers are free of cost. I mean, included in that 41 euro per person ticket you take in the beginning. And look, Asher got a friend. He really enjoyed his time with this girl.
That's the Blue Lagoon center.
Our next stop from cruise is Camino Islands, and this in front of you guys is Camino Islands, and the view from here is mesmerizing. Do not miss this island if you are going to Malta. Here you have the option to swim, so please carry your swimwear with you if you're coming to Camino Islands. We did not plan to swim here because of Asher, but it is lovely waters, and if you can, please do swimming in this water.
Take this.
After an amazing time spent on this Gozo and Camino trip, we were back at our resort and thought of doing a swim before going out for dinner in an Indian restaurant called Garam Masala just opposite this resort. We reached hotel at 6:30 p.m. and outdoor pools were closed by then, but luckily we found indoor pools to chill for some time. With this, I will like to end this video for today, and please subscribe to my channel to see what we did next in Malta. Bye bye.